In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill same text in PDF form Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know how to set up a PDF so that when you type in one box, the exact same text appears automatically in another box. This is perfect for things like names, IDs, or any repeated information across a form. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro and making sure you're in the All Tools view. This view gives you quick access to everything we need. If you don't see what you're looking for at first glance, click View More to expand the full list of tools. That will reveal the form features we're going to use. From there, choose Prepare a Form. This tells Acrobat that you want to create or edit interactive fields in your PDF. If you're working from an existing document, Acrobat can detect many fields automatically, but we'll add our own to control exactly how they behave. When you're ready, click Create Form to enter form editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the form editing toolbar and blue outlines where fields can go. Now select the text field tool from the toolbar. This creates a box where users can type. Click once on your page to place the first text field. Then click again to place a second one. Make sure you add two fields since we want them to mirror each other. You can drag to reposition or resize the fields so they line up neatly. Clean alignment makes the form easier to read and fill. Right-click the first field and choose Rename Field. The field name is important. It's the identifier Acrobat uses to link data. Type the name you want to use. For autofill to work between fields, this name is what both fields must share, so pick something clear and simple. Right-click the second field. Choose Rename Field and type the exact same name as the first one. Matching names are the key to autofilling the same text. If Acrobat warns that a field with this name already exists, that's expected. Confirm it. To avoid typos, you can copy the name from the first field and paste it into the second. That's it. When the form is filled, typing in one of these fields will instantly populate the other with the same text because they share the same name. If you ever want the fields to behave independently, just give them different names. You can also fine-tune appearance and formatting later in the field's properties, but the naming is what makes the autofill work.